Now we're going to the junkyard to get some M seats for my E90 and also get the roof headliner in black color. So here are my seats. You can see here, this is the M Sport with heated seats and yeah, all the extras. And here is the headliner and a box here with the headliner, sun visors and everything. So I just have to put it into the car now.
Det kunne du ikke? Overhovedet ikke. Nej, tænd dem op. Tænd dem op. Jeg hænger meget træet, så skal lægge sådan ovenpå. Ja, men næsten så den vil næsten kunne kaste på en, så kan jeg bare lige at lidt på, og så kaste den her.
Jeg ved ikke, om jeg kan en bums. Hun er So we managed to get everything in the car except for the headliner. I have to pick this up later. Wow. The car is really full of new stuff, new toys. So we'll have to go in and pay. It's actually a bargain. It costs less than $1,000. If they have donor car, still need to get the harness out, wire harness out. As you can see, there's only BMWs here, so it's always possible to find some spare parts here. So we got this one side. This is on the driver's side, or left hand side. Wiring loom here. Here you can see some of the harness we got from the donor vehicle, and I'm not sure if we need all, but at least we got it. And here's a new control panel with heated seats. Mine doesn't have that. And here's the second for the right hand side